Hello and welcome back to How It's Done. Aloe vera, a plant renowned for its wide-ranging health, skincare, and wellness benefits, is witnessing an ever-increasing global demand, driven by the rising trend towards natural products. Its versatile priorities make it a popular ingredient in various industries, particularly skincare, where it's valued for its moisturizing, anti-aging, and healing effects. Aloe vera is known for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which contribute to its effectiveness in treating burns and wounds. Additionally, the plant is easy to cultivate, environmentally sustainable, and cost-effective, making it accessible to a broad spectrum of consumers. Ideal growing conditions and cultivation. Aloe vera thrives in arid and semi-arid environments where the soil is well drained and rainfall is minimal. These conditions are essential for the plant's growth as they prevent root and other issues associated with excessive moisture. Large-scale aloe vera plantations often cover hundreds of acres and are strategically located in regions with the ideal climate. Key growing areas include parts of the United States, Mexico, India, and Africa, where the climate provides the perfect balance of warmth and dryness that aloe vera plants require. The cultivation of aloe vera begins with the propagation, typically using offsets or pups that grow from the base of mature plants. These young plants are carefully removed from the parent plant and transplanted into fields. Adequate spacing between plants is crucial as it ensures that each aloe vera plant has enough room to grow and access to sunlight, which is vital for photosynthesis and overall health. Proper spacing also facilitates easier maintenance and harvesting later on. The harvesting process. Aloe vera plants take around 18 to 24 months to reach maturity, at which point they are ready for harvesting. Harvesting is a labor-intensive process that requires skilled workers to carefully cut the outer leaves from the plant's base. The outer leaves are the most mature and contain the highest concentration of gel, which is the primary product extracted from aloe vera. Care is taken to leave the inner leaves intact, allowing the plant to continue growing and producing more leaves for future harvests. Workers use sharp knives or specialized cutting tools to harvest the leaves, minimizing the damage and ensuring that the leaves remain in prime condition for processing. Once harvested, the leaves are quickly transported to processing facilities to prevent degradation of the gel during transit. The trucks used for transportation are often equipped with temperature control systems that maintain the leaves at an optimal temperature, preserving their freshness and quality. Cleaning and inspection. Upon arrival to the processing facility, the aloe vera leaves undergo a thorough cleaning process. Large automated washing systems are equipped with rotating brushes and high-pressure water jets that effectively clean the leaves without damaging them. After washing, the leaves are inspected by workers to ensure that only the highest quality leaves proceed to the next stage of processing. This inspection process is crucial as it helps maintain the overall quality of the final product. Gel extraction. The next phase of the aloe vera processing involves the extraction of the gel, which is the most valuable part of the plant. The extraction process can be done manually or mechanically, depending on the scale of production. In many factories, the process is semi-automated, with workers operating machinery that slices the leaves open and scoops out the gel. The outer rind of the leaf is carefully separated from the inner gel to ensure that the gel remains pure and uncontaminated. Once the leaves are peeled, the gel is collected into large vats. In facilities that produce aloe vera on a massive scale, this collection process is often semi-automated to handle the high volume efficiently. Workers oversee the machinery to ensure that the gel is extracted properly, minimizing wastage and contamination. The collected gel is then ready for the next stage of processing, pasteurization and filtration. To ensure the safety and longevity of the aloe vera gel, it undergoes a pasteurization process. This involves rapidly heating the gel to a specific temperature to kill any bacteria and then quickly cooling it to preserve its beneficial properties. Pasteurization is a crucial step in extending the shelf life of the gel, making it suitable for use in a variety of products that require a longer storage period. After pasteurization, the gel is passed through advanced filtration systems to remove any remaining solid particles and impurities. This filtration process is typically multi-stage, including coarse filtration to remove larger particles, fine filtration to eliminate smaller impurities, and ultrafiltration to achieve the desired clarity and purity. The result is a smooth, high-quality gel that's ready for use in various applications. Blending and packaging. Depending on the intended use, the stabilized aloe vera gel may be mixed with other ingredients. For instance, when the gel is destined for cosmetic products, additional compounds such as preservatives, fragrances, and emollients are incorporated to enhance the product's performance and shelf life. This blending process is carefully controlled to ensure that the final product meets the desired specifications and quality standards. In large aloe vera production, the gel is often packaged in bulk containers for mass distribution. These containers include intermediate bulk containers and large aseptic bags, which can hold between 275 and 330 gallons of product. Aseptic bags made from multi-layered plastic films provide a sterile environment for the gel, protecting it from contamination during storage and transportation. The filling process for these containers is carried out using specialized bulk filling systems equipped with pumps and filling tubes that are calibrated for precise dispensing, ensuring that the correct amount of gel is placed into each container. Meeting global demand. The growing global demand and interest in health and wellness and natural beauty products has significantly increased the demand for aloe vera. As consumers become more aware of the benefits for natural ingredients, the appeal to aloe vera continues to rise. Its use in a wide range of products, from skincare to cosmetics, to even dietary supplements and beverages, makes it a highly sought-after ingredient in the natural product market. Aloe vera's popularity is also driven by the trend toward organic and environmentally sustainable products. As consumers increasingly seek out safe and effective natural remedies, the demand for aloe vera is likely to continue growing. This demand ensures that the aloe vera remains a highly valued and widely utilized natural resource, with its production and processing methods evolving to meet the needs of a global market that values quality, sustainability, and the benefits of nature-derived products. The production of aloe vera on a large scale is a complex process that seamlessly integrates traditional agricultural practices and modern technological advancements. From the careful cultivation of the plants in ideal climates to the meticulous extraction processing of the gel, every step is designed to maintain the highest quality of the final product. As the global demand for natural products continues to rise, the efficient mass production of aloe vera ensures that this versatile plant remains a key ingredient in a wide range of health, skincare, and wellness products. Its ability to meet consumer demands while adhering to environmentally sustainable practices makes aloe vera a truly remarkable and valuable natural resource in today's market.